This is Professor L.B. Gaikwad's English Literature Web. I am Professor L.B. Gaikwad is teaching today the topic Non-Verbal Communication Significance. This is my lecture 320 and part 6. Here, before going to the particular topic, we will discuss on the 2 points. The first is please watch, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. The second thing I will request you is that you should see please all these notes which I have put in the description box. Now we will go to the topic. We are studying the significance of the non-verbal communication here. We have seen that the non-verbal communication happens without mouth and language. So remember, there is no need of the mouth opening and there is no need of the taking pen to write something for the non-verbal communication. Only the outward signs signal us and we know the person's status without speaking with him and writing anything to him. Now we will study the significance of the communication with the issues given as under. Now the first issue is communicating message. The non-verbal signs sometimes are more communicating loudly and clearly about the person. For example, the traffic signs and colors convey the traffic rules. So this point again we will discuss is that the non-verbal signs means there are the non-verbal signs which are sometimes very communicating because they are very loud, clear about the person. Why? Because we will see, for example, the traffic signs, there are the traffic signs and colors convey the traffic rules. Means when there is the traffic signs, easily the uneducated person also understands the rules of the traffic by seeing those signs. And colors, when the colors come in front of the common person or very uneducated person, all these uneducated person, I will say, understand the importance of the color, or they can do the communicating messages through this knowledge. Now the next point is here, message to the illiterate persons. We know the uneducated people don't write and know knowledge properly. So remember, there are educated persons with us, but the uneducated persons are also there in our life, and that's why we know that these uneducated persons cannot write or they cannot know knowledge properly. It means that they are illiterate, means they don't know the ABC of the knowledge or language, and that's why here to such persons I will say the non-verbal communication is very much important, or this non-verbal communication helps very much to such persons. The non-verbal communication uses the signs, and the uneducated people know the meanings without using language. Remember, here just we saw that the uneducated persons are very much illiterate, means they are uneducated and they do not know anything of language, and that's why all these gestures or all these signs, I will say, can be understood very easily by these persons, and that's why the messages to the illiterate persons are very much important point here. When the uneducated person see the red color as the symbol of danger, they know suddenly. Means all these persons see the red color, and when they see the red color, they understand that this red color is the symbol of the danger, and they understand it very easily. As they see the red color, they understand all this very easily. When we know the when we know the particular colors, or when we show them the green color, they know the meaning of the positivity and vegetables behind the colors. Means when the green color we show them, they understand that, oh, this is the color of the vegetables, or this is the symbol of the positivity. Means their minds are silent by seeing those colors. The green color shows them it is good for them, or it is the good sign for them. If we show them the plate or knife, they know that the hotel is near. Means easily the plate or the knife tell them that, oh, hotel is there. Means it is not necessary to read for them the name of the hotel, but actually they see the plate and the knife and they understand that there is the hotel near. Now, there is the point of the quick message. Non-verbal signs give message more quickly than the written or oral communications. Just we saw about the uneducated persons who understand the meaning of the red color and green color. Non-verbal signs have only one meaning many times, and hence the non-verbal communication is more understanding than the written and oral communications. For example, I will say traffic signals. Red. So when we see the traffic signals, the meaning is that when there is red color, means we should stop. When there is the yellow color, we should be ready, and when there is the green color, we should go without any kind of tension. So all these signs also tell us about the non-verbal communication. Now the next point is providing information. The non-verbal means to provide information so easily sometimes, because the information is very easy even for the common man also, and he can understand also. The common man isn't expert in the field, but he knows information easily with the help of these signs. For example, maps. Means we will take the example of the map. So when the common man looks that map, the common man of the commonest, means the commonest person can understand, can know that this is the map of the street, or this is the picture of the tree. So when we show them the picture or the maps, then they can understand. So here we have finished the topic non-verbal communication significance. Again we will be there in front of each other with a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.